Most people are stuck in a cycle. Try a new diet, quit. Push harder in the gym, get injured. Start strong, but never finish. At Omega, we knew there had to be a better way. The problem isn't your willpower, it's the system. Most approaches leave out the one thing that matters, resetting your body to work the way God designed it. That's why we created the Train and Transform, an 8-week proven system designed to reset, rebuild, and optimize your body. We do it through chiropractic care that restores alignment, nutrition that resets your metabolism, red light therapy that accelerates recovery and fat absorption, Dojo performance training that builds real strength and functional movement, coaching and accountability that keeps you on track. This isn't another quick fix. It's a complete transformation system so you move better, heal faster, and perform at your peak. And we have the testimonials to prove it. The results speak for themselves. People from all walks of life, athletes, busy parents, professionals, have transformed their health through this program. In just 8 weeks, you can reset your body, rebuild your strength, and take control of your health. Don't wait for another year to slip by. Spots are limited for our next Train and Transform group. Reserve yours today.